The United States has issued a travel warning to China, urging its citizens to avoid all non-essential travel to China. Canada, meanwhile, narrowed its warning, urging its citizens to specifically avoid traveling to Hubei province in China. Canada has 2 confirmed cases and is investigating 19 more potential cases. There have been 5 confirmed cases in the United States. More than 100 patients have either been under observation or are currently being tested across 26 states. President Donald Trump has offered China whatever help it may need to control the outbreak. As Jagruti Dave explains, this could be through helping to develop a vaccine for this coronavirus.
Well, this particular strain of coronavirus shares some similarities to the 2002 SARS outbreak. So researchers here at the National Institutes of Health are saying that they're using approaches that they used for the development of the SARS vaccine to kickstart the development of coronavirus vaccine for this particular strain. And they say that early stage human trials could be ready in about 3 months' time. So that's one level of expertise that they could offer. There are scientists who've been talking to media outlets here in the United States, one talking to the Washington Post and saying that actually what would really help is more information being shared by the Chinese government, data on transmission. Another epidemiologist saying that he would like to travel to China to help scientists there learn more about how this strain is spread, how it's transmitted and how to contain it. The more information that teams can gather, that scientists can work together and gather, the better they will be at being able to contain the spread and find an adequate response. Now, in terms of repatriating Americans, the hundreds of Americans in Wuhan, the State Department has issued a statement saying that they are procuring a chartered flight that is bringing US government personnel in Wuhan, as well as a limited number of private US citizens back to the United States. That is a flight that is departing from Wuhan on Wednesday morning, China Standard Time, and arriving at Ontario, California, which is a city about 1 hour east of Los Angeles on the west coast here. Now, there are some people who have not been able to secure a place on that flight. Priority is being given to those who are most vulnerable to the coronavirus. There are others also who are sitting it out, waiting for the emergency to end and for the situation to improve. So that is the situation, the latest on the repatriation of Americans.